Yes.
Please start. What is that in your hands?
It's the Rubik's Cube.
How many colors does it have?
It has 6 colors.
What are those colors?
Blue, orange, red, white, yellow, and green.
How many sides does it have?
It has 6 sides.
And what are you trying to do?
I am trying to solve it.
And how long does it take you to solve it?
It takes 3 minutes.
And where did you learn it?
I learned it from internet.
Where on the internet?
On YouTube.
Can we learn it too?
Yes, you can. You must know the formulas.
The formulas? They must be difficult.
Yes, it was difficult the first time, but it's easy now.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
Where do you study?
I study at school.
What grade?
2nd grade.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I like my school.
What subjects do you like?
I like English and math and science.
You like math?
Yes.
Oh. What is 9 multiplied by 3?
27.
How about 7 multiplied by
35.
Okay. And how about 10 multiplied by 11?
110.
You said you like science.
Yes.
How many planets are in our solar system?
There are 8 planets in our solar system. Before it was 9, but Pluto is our planet now.
Can you name the other 8?
Yes, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto before.
Can you name some English-speaking countries?
Yes, the United States of America, UK, Australia, New Zealand.
Do you know their capital cities as well?
Yes, the United States capital is Washington. The UK's capital is London.
All right. Wow. You completed it, right?
Yes.
Thank you.